cool. Wow, there's literally just so much blue on my face. How am I going to get this off my face? Hello everyone, today I'm going to be turning myself into Harley Quinn for a quick and easy makeup tutorial. I'm actually really excited by how well this went and how much time it didn't take me, so I hope that you'll be able to follow my guide and it also look like this-ish and not take that much time for you either. And let's just get into it. For this makeup look, I'm going to be going off this photo of Harley Quinn here. There we go. You can't really see in this photo, but she does have rotten on the side of her face and then a little love heart below her eye as well. So that's what we're going to try and replicate, as well as the whole eyeshadow, lips and everything. And obviously this is how she has her hair, so this is how I'm going to be having my hair, and hopefully this will be a really easy Halloween look for you to recreate. Already pinned these bits of hair back because they're annoying me already, but let's just get cracking. To start with, I'm going to use my Conceal and Hydrate concealer from Revolution, which is actually in a few shades too light for me, but Harley Quinn's skin is really pale, so I'm going to pop some of this all over my face and see how it goes. I'm just applying my Angel Veil primer from NYX. Oh god. This also has a white base. Wow, that's so much. And I'm just going to rub that in with my fingers and then a foundation stick in a minute. A foundation brush in a minute. Okay, so I've applied my primer, which was the NYX Angel Veil, and I'm just going to go in with this concealer all over my face, which is not the norm and slightly weird. But I have to say the coverage of this concealer under my eyes, normally especially, is actually pretty good, so I don't really have much doubts that it's not going to perform, because the only reason I don't use this is because I got it in the wrong shade, but obviously I'm using it right now to do this, which has its pros. And then I'll just blend that all around my face, and obviously I've put primer everywhere, especially around my eyes where we're going to be doing the main business. I don't know how well this is going to turn out because I haven't done many like special effects type things before, if that makes any sense. Okay, and then I'm just going to bring it down my face a bit because I think I might need a bit more for my neck actually. But I'm obviously more tan than Margot Robbie is in that film, so I think I need a little bit more just down the bottom here. And then bringing it down my neck. I'm actually so excited for this look because I absolutely love doing stuff with this. I just never do it very often. Make sure you cover your ears and your neck when you're doing this. Because I've put it all over my face, I don't really have anything to go under my eyes, so I'm hoping it's not going to go overly cakey because this is my lightest shade of concealer, obviously. This is how the base is looking. I'm actually quite happy with that. I didn't think it would go as well. The coverage in some areas I think looks a bit less coverage than like when it's under my cheekbones, but I think that actually might just be my shadow. So I'm just going to bake under my eyes because obviously I'm not going to get a concealer that's much lighter than the one that I've already got with me. It's not picking up very well. Oh my god, this is going on my nose and going everywhere. Oh my god, this powder's going everywhere. Her makeup is so light in colour that I don't really have anything to use for the contour because obviously everything is just, I don't know how to explain it. Everything's so white that I don't have a contour that's basically like would have to be grey. It's so light. I think because the top half looks so much lighter than under my eyes, I'm going to have to bake a little bit there too on my forehead. It's okay, it's kind of there, kind of not. Alright, I will this is going to start my nose. When you look at photos, the blue eye is the left eye, so wait, yeah, so this one's going to be blue and this one's going to be red. And it's kind of like swooped down her face, so we're going to do that. I've got my Jaclyn Hill palette here, and I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush and a kind of the blue eye. I'm going to go between these two shades. I'm not overly worried about it being too messy, because obviously hers is very messy. Under the lash line a little bit. And I'm going to take another brush and really just pack it on this bottom half here. And I'm hoping there won't be too much fallout on the white face. I really should have done this bit before and just been more careful. But never mind. Let me just quickly check the photo again. Okay, and then they bring it more down here. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna draw a huge line down my face. Oh wait, you know what I need to do first, don't you? Wipe off the excess powder. Right, I'm pretty happy with how that bake's turned out. Let's crack on with the pigment. I'm taking this shade Twerk, by the way, and I'm just going to pack it on quite a lot and then bring it down my face, because she's got it in kind of a few lines, and then I will fluff it out in a minute. And then I'm going to take the fluffy brush again. Wow, there's literally just so much blue on my face right now. I don't know if that blue's really picking up. And then I'm going to have to take a different brush. I'll take this brush for the other eye, also a Morphe blending brush. I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals palette. I'm going to take this orangey red just here and really pack that onto my brush, and then I'll probably use my Jaclyn Hill palette in a second. It looks like on the photo that this eye is much more just a general, like, huge, I don't know, blur down here, as opposed to like the two kind of lines blurred together. So let's, and there's also more angle down, so I'm going to cover the lid a little bit and then make the point of it much lower down, because this one is quite high, but, or kind of like in the middle, but this one is much lower. I'm going to take some more of that same shade and start to bring it down my face a little bit. Okay, I'm going to blend it out with this, okay, this pink here, which is called Cran Apple. This one just here. I'm going to take and blend out this one a little bit more, because hers is more metallic and also kind of pink as well. Okay, and then go over that mark going down the face. Let's see if she has it under her eye. Okay, yeah, she does have it under her eye a lot more, so let's blend that out. Oh my god, there's literally just going to be so much pink on. How am I going to get this off my face? And then she's got like another smaller bit coming down her face just here. Oh, okay, I did not pick up at all. Okay, let me take a smaller brush, maybe this one, and take that same red mixed with some of that pink again and just drag it down my face a bit more like hers is. And we'll bring it along the lower lash line. I'm actually really enjoying this. I love playing with makeup. Going to go back in with a more pink shade from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and just make that line a bit bolder, and then I'll blend it out with this brush again. Okay, I actually really like how this is coming together. It's really hard to find a good picture of Harley Quinn where her makeup is directly looking at the camera, because all the shots are like action shots from the film or other people's makeup, but I want to do like hers more. Okay, some people have it more brushed out, so it's like this a bit, and then I'm taking a little bit more of that crown apple again, and a little bit more of that burnt orange, like reddy shade in the bottom half of the palette. And then I've got to extend this one out a little bit more. Oh my gosh. I'm going to leave it there because I like how it's looking and I don't want to mess it up. I'm going to go back in with this blue and just kind of elongate this bit a little bit. Right, I'm fairly happy with that now. The next thing is, I guess, mascara. This is the number 7 Dramatic Lift, and her lashes are just kind of a little bit, I think she probably had fakes on, but I cannot apply fakes for the life of me, so this is what we're going with. I think this is literally the easiest makeup of all time for Halloween. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how that is turning out at the minute. Okay. Okay, I kind of love it. I actually kind of love it. Okay, so I think I just did the lips. Really happy how I like them. And I think I wasn't recording, so we'll see that when I come back to edit. But anyway, I also did the heart under the eyes, a little bit bigger than I would have liked, but it's not the end of the world by any means. Now I've just got to write rotten on my face somehow, which is going to be really difficult looking in a mirror because it's going to be backwards to me. And she's got it kind of like here on her cheek, but like near her jawline. Oh dear, this is so hard. Okay, that's not the worst. I was expecting it to turn out worse. I'm kind of gonna fill in this little gap here though. Oh dear. I'm not exactly a makeup artist or anything, I'm literally just doing makeup on YouTube for a hobby. So I'm really happy with how this has gone so far. I'm just gonna take a few TikToks and yeah, just I guess I'm actually so excited about this. I just did eyeliner off camera and it didn't go that badly. I'm not really an eyeliner gal, but here we are. And then I'm just going to do my pencil line. And I always flick it out at the corners. Upwards to kind of meet the flick of the eyeliner at the top. I am going to also tie line under my lashes as well. I hate doing this on camera because I just think it looks weird. And it makes me really cringe when other people do it on camera as well. Okay, last thing is setting spray. I've got my trusty Morphe Continuous Setting Mist here. Okay, and that is one easy look for Halloween done. This has turned out so much better than I thought, and obviously I'm not blonde or anything, but this is the closest I'm going to get. I'm so excited about this, and I hope that this wasn't actually too hard for you to follow. I literally just used a concealer I already had, a lipstick. The only thing I bought was an eyeliner because I'm not really an eyeliner gal, but yeah, apart from that. Okay, so that is the whole look. I'm actually so impressed with how this went overall, and that was so easy. Like, I'm not particularly talented or anything, but I really didn't find that hard, except for writing rotten backwards. That was kind of hard. But yeah, still very happy with that overall, and would definitely do this for Halloween because it's super easy and didn't take that much time. So, you know, I hope this wasn't too hard for you to follow either, and I will see you very soon. And also go check out my TikTok because there's going to be so many TikToks on there. See you soon. Bye!